Hello viewers, my name is Lakhvinder and I welcome you all to my channel Toronto IELTS Tutorials Transforms You. Today's video is about cue card. This is important cue card as it recently appeared in the exam. So please watch the video till the end and I hope that it will help to improve your IELTS speaking scores. Let's see the topic. Describe a place where you usually or often go to relax, not in your hometown. So you need to describe a place where you usually go to relax, but this place should not be in your hometown. It should be out of your hometown. You should say where this place is, when you go there, what you do there, and explain why you choose to go to this place to relax. Let's start with the answer. I have tried numerous places like cafes or libraries, but nothing has worked as well as the parks for me. So here I am going to describe a place out of my hometown where I usually go to relax. I often go to Rose Park to relax and it is about 25 kilometers away from my hometown. Guys, please note that if you want to mention the place where this park is situated, then you can mention that as well over here. It is spread in around 3 acres of land and has trees and flowers of different species that enhance its beauty. I like to go there especially on weekends with my backpack full of everything I require, together with a few snacks to stave off any sugar craving I may get while studying. The park is tranquil, unlike pretty loud coffee shops with the clinking of crockery and constant ambient chatter that are often disturbing. Moreover, I have been studying a lot lately and I have had to go through quite a lot of written material. I'm a kind of person that likes to make a lot of notes while sitting in nature's lap. Therefore, I found this place much suitable for me, where I can work uninterruptedly whilst enjoying the beautiful natural ambient. I chose this park because of its natural beauty and it is away from the hustle and bustle of the city. I adore the picturesque beauty of this place and the greenery it has. So this is a place that is relaxing and rejuvenating for me. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscription and press like and do comments if you like this video.